Hi friends, welcome to Living on the Edge. Very happy to see you here. I'm going to share with you something a little bit personal today. I'm staying in Miami a couple of nights after my cruise. This time it was on Allure of the Seas. And you know, when you travel so much, I was trying to find something a little bit different this time to stay in, because I wanted a little bit of a home vibe without, you know, being in a more hotel atmosphere. Just, you know, to relax, maybe this time not party as much, just stay home, you know, and just be convenient. So I found this hotel, or should I say apartment hotel. From my understanding, it's not a chain, it doesn't belong to anyone. It's called the Elser Hotel Miami. Hope I pronounced it right. It's a very interesting concept. I'll tell you all about it. But it's more of, I would say, residential style of hotel in Miami. So let's stop this whole conversation right now. I will show you this room around so you can see how it looks like. And then, of course, I'll tell you everything I think about it. Okay, so we're going to start, of course, at the entrance. This is a corridor that we enter to, and this unit is actually the Deluxe King Studio, that's how they call it. It's basically, in my opinion, a studio apartment in Miami, probably like most of them. So this is your initial impression when you enter. It's basically one space. As we enter here to the left, we can find our bathroom. You know what? Let's start with the bathroom this time. So it's basically very spacious, but you know, nothing crazy big in size. It's definitely more than enough for two people. You have your sink here. They provide you everything here. Hi friends, hello. I do like the pre-lit mirrors. That's very, very nice. You have, of course, your towels, napkins, all the amenities you might need, body wash, you know, stuff like that. What is that? That's the body lotion. I'm not sure what they use in it. It's the bronzer lotion. Yeah, you have even magnifying mirror here. I do enjoy this thing. I know it doesn't look like, but it's a huge storage drawer right there. So there you go with that. Some extra napkins there, toilet paper. This is, of course, your commode right there. Your towels. And then you have a walk-in shower here. Very decent in size. It's a rain shower, so that's very nice. And of course, again, the same product, so you have everything for your stay. It's very, very nice. I like the size of it. It's very comfortable. The door right here would be just, I think it's the AC unit. It's pretty much how you would see it in the apartments. But yeah, it's just, you know, the AC is there, nothing for you to use. I'll show you this door later on, which is very interesting. But yeah, this is the space. So you first of all enter into your bedroom area. And this is actually a king size bed. So it's very rare, I think, to find in a studio in Miami this size to have a king size bed. So yeah, you go with that. We of course have two nightstands, one on each side. We have this nice divider right here in the middle of this whole space to divide between your living room space and of course the bedroom. And this huge square in the middle is basically your TV that can be turned either way, whether you want it in your bedroom area or your living area. Now, in your bedroom area, if we look across, those wide doors right there is actually your closet. So let me show you that. We have first of all this one, and it's very nicely done. So it's not really a walk-in closet, but I do like the shelving and everything they have here. Let me go back so you can see it. Very nicely done. You have some hangers over there, of course. You even have a safe. I do enjoy when I have a large size safes. I can put my laptop inside and everything. You have an iron there, an iron board. Your luggage rack is right there. And some drawers here for your storage, so that's very nice. Okay, so that's the closet. Let's close that. Let's see the living room space and the kitchen. So this is your kitchen. It's actually a full kitchen with everything you might need. And of course, right here we have our living room space. Now, from my understanding, it's a queen size sleeper sofa. Let me see. Yes, it is. But in order to use it, of course, we would need to move this table, which is relatively large. So I'm not sure exactly where you put it to use that, but I guess the option is there. Now, the one thing I do enjoy is that because it's a studio and everything, you know, it's kind of like a little bit limited in space. This table actually can turn into a dining table. I'll show you that in a second. But let's turn around and see the kitchen. And that's, of course, your TV. And this is your kitchen. So yeah, this is, again, full serviced apartment. Basically, you have full-size stove, you have microwave, you have your even espresso maker. You know how much I like those. So we have that. Everything is actually stocked. So we have the hot boiling pot right there. We have some pots and pans in those drawers. Let's see what else. You have some cups right there. Over here, we even have a toaster, paper towels. You have your sponge, and you even get two of those, and I'll show you where they go in a second. So you have the dishwasher and also detergent for laundry. So you have that. Your dishwasher is right there. And then, of course, you have your utensils, forks and knives. Your cooking stuff there. Not sure if there's anything here. No, this is available. Your trash bins will be right here under the sink. Some extra glassware. It's very nice to have those things. And then over here you have your plates. Now, of course, there's a lot of stuff here. Wine bottles and alcohol. You have crazy amenities here. Chocolate bars. You even have those sunbun kits for, you know, if you forgot your sunscreen and stuff like that. Very convenient. And it's not the end of the bar. I'll show you in a second, because this is our fridge, right? It's right there. It's the full size, side by side. But in the fridge, look how stocked this thing is. It's pretty crazy. But all that is, of course, not free of charge. There's a minibar price list on the door. So just keep in mind, if you use any of those, you will be charged. Now, I do like that because there's a fridge here, there's obviously water in your fridge. So this is very nice to have when you stay in a hotel. You don't need to worry about that. There is a small balcony here. Now, I am on the 41st floor, so it's pretty up there. We're in downtown Miami. Let me open the door. Hope it's not too noisy. But that's the balcony. It's not very deep, but it's kind of like the stand out. But the view is gorgeous. Let me show you that. So we have the whole view of downtown Miami and Brickell. It is beautiful out there. And of course we have the cruise port. Very nice. Now let's go back and I'll show you one thing that actually maybe in my personal trip was my biggest factor for booking this one, because you know, I wanted between the trips to be able maybe to do my own laundry. Even though I have some on the cruise ships, I would like to have the ability to do my own. But yeah, behind this door, that's what I was saving for you guys. We even have full-size washer and dryer. And that's the reason they actually provide you the detergent and the dishwasher pods, at least a starter kit. So yeah, let's make this one last walkthrough so you can see around. And from my understanding, this is the entry level of the accommodation they have. So they have also 1 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms and 3 bedrooms. This is the entry level one. So yeah, this is it. Well, friends, it's unique, right? It sort of feels like it's basically an apartment. I mean, this whole building, from my understanding, it's actually part of it is residential, which is probably very similar to this, only probably rented, not furnished. And part of it is a hotel. So there's basically any amenities that you want. There's a pool, there's a gym, there are lobbies, there are restaurants, there's room service even from the restaurants. There's pretty much everything you would have in any hotel. And from my understanding from their website, they also have a special rates for a longer stay. So if you would like to book something maybe for a couple of weeks or a longer stay, like, I don't know, 10 days or so. But they also have monthly rates, which is interesting. So I don't know if it's cheaper than other hotel, maybe not. But I think that sometimes it's actually nice to have this more home away from home vibe when you are, especially in big cities. It's Miami, so everything really downstairs. You have supermarkets there, the Whole Foods is right there, you have tons of restaurants, you have everything, and sometimes you just really want the place to chill and really call home away from home. So I'm glad I found it. I'm hoping that I will really enjoy the stay. Just 2 nights, but I wanted to see this time how it goes and if I really enjoy it, and perhaps I will make it my next sort of home away from home in Miami when I'm here. But yeah, of course, if you would like to ask anything, if you have your own experience, or maybe you want to recommend similar places in other places, please feel free to do that and comment below. I really enjoy to read that. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you all, guys. You really help me to do and keep doing what I like to do most. And until next time, thank you again. I'm your Hedge.